Welcome to Digital Discovery Hub News. Samsung's potential leap, developing astonishing 440-megapixel camera sensors from 200 megapixel. Tech giant Samsung is rumored to be pushing the boundaries of smartphone photography once again, with reports suggesting that the company is exploring the development of groundbreaking camera sensors boasting an astonishing resolution of 440 megapixels. This jaw-dropping leap from their existing 200-megapixel sensors has ignited excitement within the photography and smartphone industries. Samsung has a history of innovation in the field of mobile imaging, consistently introducing cutting-edge camera technology to its flagship devices. If the rumors hold true, the jump from 200-megapixel to 440-megapixel would signify an unprecedented advancement, likely resulting in unparalleled image quality and incredible levels of detail. While it's important to consider that higher megapixel counts don't always directly translate to better image quality, Samsung's reputation for integrating sophisticated camera software and hardware optimizations lends credibility to the potential success of this venture. The company's previous sensor developments have showcased its commitment to striking a balance between resolution, low-light performance, and dynamic range. The implications of a 440-megapixel camera sensor extend beyond standard smartphone photography. These sensors could find applications in various industries, including professional photography, cinematography, and even scientific imaging, offering users the ability to capture detailed shots with exceptional clarity. As with any early-stage rumors, it's crucial to approach this information with a degree of skepticism until official statements or product releases confirm the details. Nevertheless, the prospect of Samsung working on a 440-megapixel camera sensor showcases the brand's unwavering dedication to pushing the boundaries of mobile technology, sparking anticipation among consumers and professionals alike. News is over for today. Subscribe the channel to know such tech news.